nutritive cycle of plants. In natural farming, organic farming, we are considering the cycle of the plants. Just like the human cycle, there is baby, there's adolescent, and there is mature. That holds true with animals and plants. Okay, in traditional farming, you would only see that they put a fertilizer 20-20-20, right? So the phosphoric acid, the nitrogen, and the potassium, they put it on the equal footing. Then they put it in any stage of the plant. In organic farming, it's different. It's different. Every stage of the plants or the animal, you need huge amount of input of natural materials. Okay? And this is what I'm going to explain now. Okay? Ready? Emphasizes the different nutritional requirement of crop plants at different growth stages. It enables us to read the changing growth stages of the plant or animal. Okay? Next. The general idea is the crop and livestock needs nitrogen. When young, mataas ang nitrogen intake nila. Okay? Pagka adolescent na sila, babawasan mo na yung nitrogen, tataasan mo naman ng phosphoric acid. Okay? At pag sila ay nagmumulaklak na at nangingitlog na, sa maturity nila, mataas yung calcium at potassium. Okay? Natural farming emphasizes the right use of the right material at the right state at the right quantity. Okay po? Ito yung unang stage, vegetative growth. Refers to the stage of plant growth that occurs after germination. Mamaya, later on, we will do the simple organic microfarming way. It is a vegetative growth. This stage where the plants are similar to babies. They also need nutrients essential to their growth and most especially nitrogen, high in nitrogen. It is the main element of chlorophyll and amino acids, which is the building block of protein. Without protein, plants will wither and die. Imagine mo, if you're planting and you lack nitrogen, it will not give your babies good nutrition. Diba? The baby plants. Or yung human babies, right? If we don't give them the nutrients it needed, it will die. Right? Same with plants. So the vegetative stage, in this stage, in my animals, I have doves. The doves dropping is high in nitrogen. Kaya pag tumatay yung dove sa bubong natin, sinusunog niya yung yero. Because it is high in nitrogen. So I use dove droppings for my vegetative stage of planting. If you don't have it, okay, find other nitrogen, high in nitrogen, sukang paumbong is high in nitrogen. Yes. Suka. Vinegar. Okay, natural vinegar, you need to dilute it to your to water and put that as yes, pangdilig, pang water mo. Yes. Yes. During the vegetative stage. I will give you the measurement later. Okay? Nasa book po 'yun. Okay? Pero the measurement usually is 50% water, 50% yung suka na ilalagay mo. Opo. Well, some are producing banana vinegar. It's also good. It's also high in nitrogen. Some are doing pineapple vinegar. So, but coconut sukang paumbong is abundant, especially in the provinces, right? And you can also do that. If you are in the province, you can easily do a cocoa vinegar. Okay? Next. The changeover period, this is adolescent, refers to the stage of plant growth that occurs after vegetative growth. At this stage, the plant begins to mature like adolescent and requires a lot of phosphoric acid to grow. Phosphorus is essential for plant maturity and normal growth. Mamaya, you will notice, sa isang slide kung makikita nyo, may mga signs na ipinapakita that this plant is showing if they are lacking on nitrogen or phosphoric acid. You will see signs with your plants. Okay? The third stage is the changeover period. Okay? The changeover period, okay, phosphoric plays a big role in the process of photosynthesis, respiration, energy storage, transfer, cell division, cell enlargement. Pag nagkakadahon na, when the plants start to leaves and stem, you need the phosphorus in order for your plants to grow healthy. The calcium phosphate and the changeover period of different crops. Leaf crops such as spinach, a sign of changeover is the appearance of 2 to 3 leaves. Okay, if from 2 leaves, okay, it will produce 2nd, 3rd, or 5th leaves. That is the period of changeover. Crops with standing core such as cabbage, radish, sign of changeover, appearance of 2 to 3 leaves. Fruit crops such as tomato and cucumber, sign of changeover period is the first flower came out. Rice, sign of changeover is 50 to 60 days, early to late maturing seeds. So sample lang to ng mga plants that are we produce. Next. The last stage is the reproductive period. Okay, refers to the stage where the plants are ready to produce fruit. Just like mother, plants also experience morning sickness. Okay? When pregnant, they also crave for sour things. Okay? Plants at this stage require potassium, which is vital to produce healthy flowers and fruits. Saging po, ang mataas ang potassium. Okay, saging. Yung nabubulok, yes, nabubulok. Bulukin niyo po yung saging, then you can put it on in their water, or you can feed. In this stage, God's wisdom is when I go to the fruit stand or those people who sell fruits, yeah, every time I see a overripe banana, I buy it for only 6 pesos per kilo, which they usually sell 30 to 25 pesos when ripe. If it's overripe, they sell it from 5 pesos, sometimes 6 pesos. So I buy all these ripe bananas, put it on the sack, I bring it to my farm, and my chicken loves it. It saves me a lot of money in chemical or feeds that has a lot of hormones and all sorts of chemicals. Next. Here is the one I'm telling you about. Just take a picture. Okay. Vegetative growth, it needs high in nitrogen, low on the changeover, and reproductive low siya. Okay, sa nitrogen. Phosphoric acid, vegetative growth, low siya. Changeover period, high. And reproductive period, medium. So potassium, in the vegetative stage, it is low. Changeover period, medium. Reproductive period, medium. Calcium, low on the vegetative stage. High on changeover. And reproductive period, medium. So these are some of those very important things that you need to consider in your plants and in your chicken or ducks or even dogs. Okay, animals. Okay. Next slide, please. Yan. These are the one I'm telling you a while ago. Signs of nutritive deficiencies. You know what I realized? The reason why people get sick is for lack of nutrition. That's one factor that makes the plants sick as well, and also human beings. I don't realize that till I was 45 years old. Because we usually, eat so many rice, right? Eat rice. We don't realize when you age from 40 up, you don't need rice anymore. Those are carbohydrates. You don't need that. Okay? You need fiber. We need yung fats for energy. Kailangan natin ng more fruits and vegetable. Tsaka nuts sa edad natin na ito. 40 years old, pataas. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan ng kanin. Kanin na red or brown, if you have brown rice. You don't need breads sa age na ito. Kailangan mo yung mga lean meats like fish. So pag-aralan niyo yung nutritional requirement sa age bracket natin, marami sa internet. Hindi po pandesal. Opo, gustong-gusto po natin yung pandesal tsaka kape, sa umaga. Alam niyo po ako, mamaya makikita niyo po yung vegetable ko in the morning. I just cut my microgreens. Put it on my salad. Okay? And just a salad and one organic egg. I drink it raw. That's my breakfast. I just grab, an egg in my backyard chicken, drink it whole, then eat vegetable. Then I eat heavy on lunch. Okay? Yes, I eat with rice, brown rice. I have not eaten white rice. I have decided not to eat white rice 10 years ago. In our house, we buy brown rice. Yes. Because brown or black rice is high in fiber. So you don't need sweets and being a health teacher, you need energy food, fiber. In the evening, as much as possible, less rice. I'm more of fruits. I eat so many fruits in the evening. If I eat rice, just a little. But I eat heavy on lunch. I eat like a bird. I eat more often nuts, but during the night, after 6, I made myself. If I get hungry at night, I drink a lot of fruit juice. Pomegranate, I drink orange juice, calamansi juice, with chia seeds. Yeah, I drink that. So, that's it. Okay? So, I exercise, I walk. Signs of nutritive deficiency. Pag nutrition deficient ka, ang plants mo, this will happen. Yan. If your plant lack calcium, the new leaves will misshape or will stand. Existing leaves remain green. Okay? So, first sign, pag mahina ang calcium ng plant mo, yung unang-unang dahon na ilalabas siya sa taas, babaluktot. Okay? If your leaves is poor or lack nitrogen, upper leaves are light green, where the lower leaves are yellow, bottom are older leaves are yellow and shriveled. Yung maninilaw, yung mga dahon sa baba, pag kulang ka sa nitrogen. Nakakita kayo ng mga halaman, di ba? Yung mga potted plants nyo naninilaw, it is lacking nitrogen. Ang ibig sabihin. Carbon dioxide, white deposits on leaves, stunt growth, nababansot, and plants die back. Okay? Makikita nyo, sometimes there are white insects also under the leaves. Yan. Those are signs that you have a lot of carbon dioxide. Phosphate or leaves are darker than the normal and loss of leaves. Nahuhulog ang dahon pag kulang sa phosphate. Pag kulang sa iron, young leaves are yellow and white with green veins. Mature leaves are normal. Lack potassium, yellowing on the tips and edges, usually on the younger leaves. Dead or yellow patches develop on the leaves. If you lack manganese, yellow spots and elongated holes between the veins. Nabubutas yung mga dahon. If you lack magnesium, lower leaves turn yellow from outside going in. Veins remain green. Okay? So, If you need a copy of this, I can give it to you. If you have USB, I can give it to you. The whole slide, you don't have to write it down. You can take pictures. But on the book, I'm going to recommend, nandun lahat yan. Pati yung IMO, how to make microorganism. Nandun po yun. Next. Okay, these are also other mineral deficient part of the plant. Okay? So kasi may mga different elements and nutrients. Yan yung mga makikita nating sign. Okay? So just take a picture. So makikita niyo po yan yung this is a comprehensive of the previous slides earlier.